from the artist point of view, there's just been such a community that's been built, and that was really Ruth Ann's goal. You know, she's part of the Women in Harmony group that get together for Grammy Week in the US. So she was kind of saying, listen, for me, this isn't just one release. This is a community. And you know, they all have a WhatsApp group, and I just think it's great when you've got like Amy, who's like pure pop, loves Christina Aguilera, you know, and then you've got like Pillow Queens, which are totally alt, totally badass band, and they're all in a WhatsApp group. Just, I love it. It breaks down all those barriers around genre. And then, you know, I found subsequently that, you know, a lot of the female Irish music managers are being extremely supportive of each other, and we have a WhatsApp group, and yeah, there's just I think it's a time where we need to support each other. We need to come together. You know, the work that the likes of Angela Dorgan's doing with FMC to get the stimulus package across the line, you just have to have each other's back. And I think that, you know, in some way, Irish Women in Harmony, for a small collective of us, has just really brought that together super quick at a time where we needed it.